Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Masagra Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabi na to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of August 22 hanggang August 28 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, kaganapan sa mga Scorpio signs ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kaya na naman kayang hanash or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga hagilap? So ano kayang kaganapan sa inyo ang ating may dadagdag? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, eto na, umpisahan natin ang totoong laban. Angel Spirit, let's give information for the sign of Scorpio. Ano na kaya, no? Kaganapan sa inyo ngayon. Woo! My God. And there is a King of Wands. Slow and steady. Kalma-kalma. And there's a Five of Cups, no? Kalmado. Ganon, para hindi ka dehado. Sinasabi dito, maging maingat ka sa mga decision mo. Kung ayaw mo manghinayang. Kung ayaw mo masayang. Ang galing. And there's Six of Swords. So, ibig sabihin, there's a transition. Transitions that brings you a moving on. Okay? And there's a Temperance. There's a perfect timing. When God times, no? Kumbaga, heal and of course, support. Kumbaga, makakaalis ka sa ating eksena na yan. And of course, there's a Nine of Wands. Kumbaga, matatapos na yung, okay, step by step daw. Okay, sinasabi dito, step by step. Nag-i-struggles ka ngayon, pero sinasabi dito, there's a process of progress. Additional messages, and that there's a Two of Wands. There's a decision that you need to make, no? Meron kang pagpipilian dito kung anong linya o pintuan ang magbubukas para sa'yo. What is the Nine of Wands? Okay, there's an High Priestess. Ibig sabihin dito, there's an hidden agenda or there's an illusions, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito na makinig ka sa vibration or an instinct mo. What is the Five of Cups? And of course, there's a Queen of Wands. There's a stability, control, no? Kailangan kontrolado mo yung emotions mo. Hindi ka pwedeng padalos-dalos at hindi ka rin pwedeng kakarag-karag basta-basta. Ganon. What is the Six of Swords? And of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune. Diba? Transition that brings you a will. Kung baga sinasabi dito, there's a destiny and there's a bless in this guys happen. What is the Temperance? There's a Nine of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. In time, God. In time, will. Ibig sabihin dito, may taong nakatadhana para sa'yo. Okay. Sinasabi dito, mayroong talagang nakalaan. Darating tong tao na to in the God perfect time. What is the Nine of Wands? Nine of Wands represent the Three of Wands. Waiting for a ship or waiting for a result. No, kumbaga sinasabi dito, kumbaga you're over fatigue, kumbaga pagod ka na, hirap ka na, kumbaga ganon. Ang dami mo na pinagdaanan, pero at least, meron kang inaantay na progreso. What is the Two of Wands? And there's the Lovers, no? Meron kang pipiliin dito, mahal ko o mahal ako. Ay, ang harot ha. O there's a choices between dito na may dalawang pintuan magbubukas para sa'yo, sa inyong dalawa ng person mo. No? And of course, there's a Six of Coins. Kumbaga, there is a positive energy na magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa pera sa'yo, about sa finances. Kumbaga, there's an unexpected moment, no? Bigla ang pera, bigla ang pasabog. What is the Five of Cups and the Queen of Wands? And the Ace of Pentacles, di ba? 6 and Ace. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na may malaking pasabog na darating sa'yo about sa financial. Kumbaga tong offer na to, magtutuloy-tuloy to. No? What is the Six of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune? Okay, there's a 10 of Wands, no? Over obligations, over responsibilities. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, makakaalis ka na dyan. No, inililip up ka na ni God na kumbaga may nakadahanasan na iikot ng kapalaran. There is a wheel, no? Ang gulong ng palad ay iikot na. Makakaalis ka na sa kung ano man ang kinalalagyan mo ngayon. Kung nakakaranas ka ng pagkalugmok o kahirapan, iaangat ka niya. At alisin ka niya sa situation mo. Kumbaga umikot na ang gulong ng palad. And of course, the Temperance and the Nine of Cups, there's a Nine of Coins. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, maging practical ka, no? Kapag dumating yung araw na yan, sinasabi sa iyo na kailangan practical ka in all type, in all kind, in all aspects. What is the 10 of Wands, the 3 of Wands? Okay, there's the Moon card. There is a truth reveal, or there is an illusion, or there is a dreams, no? Kumbaga ito yung pinangarap mo. Itong pinangarap mo, maaring may sa katuparan mo na, no? Kumbaga inaantay mo na lang. What is the 2 of Wands, the Lovers? What is the 2 of Wands, the Lovers? Okay, there's a Palace of Wands. Wow! Kumbaga, there is kumbaga, ito yung pintuan na magbubukas sa'yo. Mayroon kang bahay na mabibili. May bahay ka na may bibili yung dalawa together with your husband and wife, no? Kumbaga, there's a Lovers na may bahay dito. Kumbaga, may mabibili kayong bahay dito, no? Marami kayong mabibiling property. Oh. So, what is the outcome? And total outcome is 3 of coin. Ibig sabihin dito, T, merong about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, no? Kumbaga, galingan mo lang dyan. And of course, there's a 6 of Wands. There's a victory, success, recognition, no? And there's a 5 of coin. Ibig sabihin dito na about sa trabaho mo, makaka-recover ka na, kumbaga, about just sa trabaho mo, makaka-recover ka na about sa financial. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, maaaring pinagdadaanan mo about sa kagipitan sa pera. Pero huwag ka mag-alala kasi meron victory and success na nakalaan para sa'yo dito. Okay, what is additional messages for Love Oracle card? What is a Love Oracle card? Cupid Marrow, no? It's a have faith, love is coming, no? Kumbaga, there's a surprises. And of course, there's the snake, mag-ingat, may ahas. There's an enemies, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, mag-ingat ka, may ahas sa paligid mo. What is the angel's number? What is the angel's number? Okay, there's an 8. I am successful. Your talent for settings and reaching goal is like no other. You are self-sufficient and capable for achieving your ambition, representing the ebb and flow, the infinite loop on creation. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung makakapagdikta at ikaw ang makakapaglagay sa iyo sa sitwasyon ng successful, no? Kumbaga dito, ikaw ang kumbaga ikaw yung magdidikta at ikaw maglalagay ng kapalaran mo kung paano ka magiging matagumpay. No? Kumbaga, you have a uniqueness. No? You have a own signature. Iba ang way mo sa way nila. Tandaan mo yan. Ibang-iba ka sa kanila. What is angel's number? Angel's messages. There's an healing. No? Sinasabi dito, magkakaroon ka ng healing. And of course, what is additional messages? And then there's a bathroom, cleansing. Kailangan mo mag-cleansing. No? And of course, there is a mirror by truth reveal. Malalaman mo mga taos lihim, no? Na naiinggit sa'yo. Lihim na may galit sa'yo. Lihim na mga etyoserang palaka, no? And of course, there's teacher and guardian, no? Maraming gumagabay sa'yo. Plakado. I love it. So, what is angel's messages for Archangel Michael messages? Maraming gabay, maraming pinto ang magbubukas. And of course, sinasabi ng Archangel Michael, detach from the situation. Kailangan mo kumawala sa situation. And of course, a favorable outcome. Ay, pasabog. Merong papabor sa iyo ang lahat. Parang nasa sa iyo na ang lahat dito, Tia. And of course, sinasabi dito, Honor and trust your feelings. Lagi mong pagkakatiwalaan yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi yan ang inner voice at yan ang gumagabay sa'yo kung saan ka paparito at saan ka ilalagay na situation. So what is the chakra? There's a passion and there's a creation. See? Kaya mo mag-create, no? Kaya mo mag-create ng mga panibago eksena. Kaya mo mag-imbento at kaya mong gumawa ng bagay na kakaiba. Ay, there's a gossip. See? Pinagchichismisan ka. Maraming chismakers, see? Maraming yesmosami. And of course, sinasabi dito, self-worth. Diba? Tignan mo yung sarili mo sa bagay na ilalagay ni God sa'yo. Merong nakalaan na upuan para sa'yo. Ibig sabihin dito, mag-focus ka lang sa goal mo. Yung liwanag na yan, yan ang tignan mo. No? Merong spotlight na para sa'yo, ti. Ganun yon. No? You have your own uniqueness. Ikaw ang kakaiba sa lahat. Tandaan mo yan. What is additional messages? Okay, there is a leadership. Ibig sabihin dito, some of you maraming sumusunod sa iyo. Marami kang natuturuan, natututulungan. And there's an infinite abundance. Ibig sabihin dito, mamamayagpag at mamumulaklak na ang finances sa iyo. At magiging masagana ang buhay mo, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw, pasabog. And there's a counseling. Makinig ka na sa inner voice. And of course, sa gabay na tumutulong sa iyo, no? What is the energy? What is this energy? There's an action. So, kailangan mo mag-take ng actions, Steve. And of course, there's the garden and the gate, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, sa likod ng rehas na mga naka-akibat dyan, merong magandang nakalaan para sa'yo. Paradise. Basta, parang mahalimuyak, magandang amoy. And of course, a woman holding a coin. Ikaw ang may hawak ng financial at ikaw din ang magbibigay ng growth and expansion. Pasabog, nasa sa'yo yung swerte. And the thinking man, ibig sabihin, tinitignan ka dito ng person mo bilang isang diamond. Mamahaling bagay, tik. Hindi lang ginto ang kumikinang. Ay, may pagkinang, ti. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Okay, sinasabi ni Jesus dito, I will not leave you comfortless, I will come to you. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka niya pababayaan na nasa alanganing sitwasyon ka. Bagkos ituturo niya lang sa iyo yung daan patungo sa tagumpay. And of course, sinasabi dito, as and shall be given to you. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo lang daw humingi sa kanya para ibigay niya yung karapat-dapat sa iyo. And of course, sinasabi dito, be not afraid, only believe. Huwag ka daw matakot mangamba. Magtiwala ka lang ng lubos, no? Ganon. What is the messages of life? What is the messages of life? So, there's a discovering, no? Marami ka pa madidiscover on your own abilities. Today, I release my old belief, convictions, and perceived notions in their place. I seek new ideas, innovation, and endless possibilities. I am adaptable. I am able to see beyond my previous limitation and discover greater works inside me. Kung may ibaga, dito matutuklasan mo ang mga bagay o nakatagong lihim nakakayanan mo. Marami kang ma-unlock na spirituality, marami kang matutuklasan na kakayanan at marami kang malalaman na hindi mo pa nalalaman. Tandaan mo yan. There's a mystery behind the God and of course a paradise, no? Kumbaga marami ka pang tutuklasin at aalamin sa likod ng spirituality. Ibig sabihin dyan, kumbaga may mga pasabog at bulabog pa na ibibigay sa'yo si God. Huwag ka lang mag-alala, kumapit ka, iaangat ka niya. Okay guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of August 22 hanggang August 28 for the sign of Scorpio. Maraming salamat Scorpio for your wonderful reading and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!